So our all-wheel drive light just started to blink. Do you know what that blinking light is? That's your tire pressure sensor. Now guess which one it is. Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we will be having one of the tire pressure sensors on the wheels replaced. And in addition, our all-wheel drive starts to blink when we hit 40 miles an hour on the highway. For everyone who's asking where I bring my vehicles for tire repairs and balancing, I bring them here at Zone Tire Shop, here at 112 Jamaica Avenue. And as you can see, they are working on our 2011 Infiniti EX35. It needed new tires to have it all centered or all squared, and it needed a tire sensor for the tire sensor monitoring system. So if you need any tire repairs, 112 Jamaica Avenue.
Flashback.
Let's start by checking the individual tire sizes. Driver side front tire. 235/40 R19. Front passenger tire. 235/40 R19s. Rear driver side tire. 235/45 R19. Rear passenger tire. 235/45 R19. To get the tires matched, I ordered from Walmart online. The size that I got is 235/45 R19, the same with the rear tires. So we're taking the Infiniti EX35 here to get the front tires replaced so that they would be balanced. And since we're here, we're gonna get the ABS sensor or ABS system checked because I think it's one of the sensors that are bad. They do a good job. So it's Zone Tire Shop here in 112 Jamaica Avenue. I'll put the link in the description below so you can find them when you need them. Then let's go in, check them out. They have a great selection.
Zone Tire Shop sells both new and used rims.
Look at that.
They have a variety of rim selection and can order rims if you do not see what you want.
And you get free coffee. You know what? I haven't had coffee yet. Ooh, it's hot. All right, we'll leave that there and check out their selections.
Zone Auto Tire is a full-service tire shop. Whether you need new or used tires, they got you covered. And you can even bring your own tires. They won't mind. And if you want new rims, they also offer aluminum rims, new and used sets of rims, and top quality accessories to make your ride stand out. They also offer bent rim repair and specialize in crack rim welding.
It's done.
See, all done. Now you just gotta put some air. Okay, so we're gonna put something right there. You're gonna pop, all right?
Get ready for the pop.
Yep.
After mounting your new tires, they offer speed tire balancing services. This eliminates the vibration and shaking feeling on your vehicle to make your vehicle riding like new.
All right.
When you ready.
Even before we were able to start recording, they already installed the new TPMS sensor. They also are able to recalibrate the new TPMS sensor. They are also able to recalibrate the new TPMS sensor on the vehicle to full functionality with OEM vehicle specifications. Their fast and reliable service will get you back on the road in no time.
So with the wheels matching, the all-wheel drive system is not blinking or flashing anymore. And since we have the tire pressure sensor replaced, it's gone. So there's no more lights in the dash. That's what we want. All right. And that is how to fix a flashing all-wheel drive warning light and replace and recalibrate the TPMS sensor on a 2011 Infiniti EX35. Thank you to Zone Tire Shop for helping us sort out our vehicle's issue. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name is Arja, and thank you for watching.